Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable a role to kick members out of Discord. So what this is going to do is, let's say we had some moderators of our Discord and we wanted to allow the moderators to be able to kick someone. Now you can have like a kick only moderator permission, that it's just a different permission that you want to have to your super mods or however. But I'm going to come up here to next to the Discord server name. I'm going to click the down arrow and go to server settings. From here, we're going to go over to roles and then hover over the role that you want to add the permission for. Go to the pencil, hit edit, and then permission. So now this is going to be a little bit of a scroll down for underneath membership permissions. Allow them to kick. You can also allow them to ban members. Kicking would just kick them out and then they could rejoin at another time with another invite. If you ban them, they won't be able to join again. But I'm going to hit save. And there we go. Now our trainers are able to kick other members from the Discord server. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe.